Today we are going to create a foldable on matter. With definitions on the inside. Will help with studying for exams. This is a study guide, note-taking tool. First thing you are going to need is a sheet of construction paper, fairly light colored so you can see the writing, piece of white copy paper, school glue, markers, so what you need to do is take this piece, and a pair of scissors. Take a piece of construction paper and fold it so that your corner, you're going to make a triangle, folded triangle, so that you can cut it along. You're going to cut along this line so that you have a perfect square when you open it out. So you cut this section right here off, like so. So you cut this edge off and open it out, you have a square. Now fold your square twice in half. So you fold it twice, and when you open it up, you see 4 different squares. Now take and fold your corners to the center. Like this. All 4 corners to the center. Now, take your piece of white copy paper and line your folded square up at a corner, like so, and trace around the outside with a pencil. You can see my lines. I'm going to cut inside those lines so it's slightly smaller than my folded square. See how I'm just inside that line? So this is slightly smaller than my colored square. It will fit inside. So you put it inside and you glue it down. Next, you're going to take that piece of copy paper and you're going to fold this flap, the wider flap down, so it's about like 2 inches by 4 inches, 2 inches down, and cut it. And then kind of straighten out your edge a little bit there. So you have about 2 by 4 piece of paper. And you're going to glue that piece to one of your flaps right here. So it's on one flap only. So that when you're done, you can lift it up and you'll see you'll have an opening here and it opens your flap. Now, you're going to take that, after it's glued down, you're going to write the word matter on that paper. And then you're going to inside write the definition of matter, anything that has mass and takes up space. And underneath it write, everything is made up of matter. And then when you open this flap, on the back side of that little paper, write matter can be solid, liquid, or gas. Close it back up again, and above the word matter, write organic, and on the flap below the word matter, write inorganic. Then turn your paper 90 degrees and write compound, and element. You took it upside down. Compound and element. Right. And then when you open those up, you're going to write the definition for each underneath there. For organic, you're going to write contain carbon and hydrogen associated with living things. You turn it over for inorganic, compounds of elements other than carbon, non-living things. Under element, you're going to write something made up of only one kind of atom, and on the other side, made up of two or more elements in exact proportions as a compound. And that is our foldable on matter, and contains ways to study. Have a good day.